Oh my God, we back. What is poppin', ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, fans, followers, supporters, and anyone who just likes to look good. If you don't know, you won't know. It's me, that dude who sells clothes that nobody knows, Lucas for Retro Original, back at it again for another episode of What the Hell Did I Get in the Mail Today? Now, today we got 6 beautiful little parcels here, and I'm excited to dive in. We definitely got some heat for you today, so here we go. All right, let's get into our first package of the day here. I'm just going to start us off on a totally unrelated note by saying I have been watching a lot of Magic videos recently, guys. That being said, I think I might have picked up a couple tips here and there along the way. So I think I'm going to go ahead and try a trick for you guys and see if I can't make this package appear out of thin air. You know, let's see what I can do. You just got to really, think about it. Wow! Not bad, huh? I'm still working on the trick. I got to watch more Magic videos. But let me just preface this package by saying this did come in a box originally. It has this poly around it, which was inside the box. I just wanted to let you guys know before you start biting the seller's head off, because it is a hat. And everybody knows if you ship a hat in a poly by itself, you fucked up. That's all there is to it. So let's crack into it. I got a heater for you guys to start off. Now, you're probably not going to be able to see it too well from back there, but we got a vintage 90s Nike Air SnapBack with that beautiful little Aztec print on the inside of the spell out and the color block all the way around. I'm going to put a little close-up on this one for you guys so you can really appreciate this one's beauty. I got this for a nice little steal. I did pay up a little bit, but, it's a rare-ass hat, so I don't mind paying up for the super rare stuff, especially stuff of this caliber. I'm probably going to end up keeping this. This is right up my alley, so sorry to anyone who was interested. I know you guys had a couple hard eyes popping up as soon as I pulled it out of the package, but so did I, so sorry. Gotta keep it in the personal for now. Hey, money talks. Everything's got a price, I guess, right? So, but I'm definitely gonna hold on to that for at least a little bit. Get a nice little fit pic on there for you guys and throw it up on the Instagram. So be sure to go follow. All right, let's get into package number 2 here. We got a little white poly. Looks like we got a T inside. We're back on track, folks. What do we got? Vintage Tommy. We're definitely back on track now. That Hilfiger Classic American Golf. Find a better tee for me. I'll wait. You got that Tommy Hilfiger and you got the golf vibes. I love it. Now, this is about as close as I'm going to get to being sponsored by Tommy Hilfiger, because check out the back. Let me flip and dip for y'all. Woo! Official Tommy Hilfiger golf team. That's right, guys. I got recruited. We're pro now. That being said, I'll start autographs off at around 150 each. Let me know. Hit me in the DMs. We can make something happen. But this tee is super dope. I do think that it might bring down a couple strokes on my golf game if I do wear it on the links. That being said, maybe I'll put a video together or something. But, I'm just going to keep grabbing that weird golf attire, the old vintage tees, the golf balls, etc. See if I can't cut down a couple strokes on the game, rather than actually practicing the sport, because that's just a waste of everybody's time. Let's get on to the next package. On to the next one. What do we got? Little yellow bubble mailer. Extra protected. Just how I like it. What do we got inside? Another Tommy piece. This one's bootleg though, but an absolute heater if I do say so myself. Look at that big juicy flag encrusted with other smaller flags. Now that is fire. Now, I'm not sure that I'm gonna like the fit on this on me, because I probably could fit like 3 of me inside of this as far as the width goes. But that being said, I don't know if I'll sell it or not. I might get a nice little picture in it for you guys. Maybe I'll put a little fit together. I'm not sure. I was planning on keeping it for myself, but the fit looks a little boxy, looks a bit long, looks a little bit built for a Sasquatch. So, I don't know, but super sweet tee. Flip and dip, just got the stripes on the back. I love it. I love the graphic. Nice and big and bold, just how you like it. I'm going to see what I can make happen with that. We'll see what we can do. All right, let's get into the next package here. What do we got? Another little white poly. And inside, a little white tee. Who could have guessed it? Now, nothing crazy here, but a nice little vintage Foot Action USA. For every action, there's a foot action. Now, who said that quote? Whose quote is that? What is that? Albert Einstein? Maybe Gandhi? Rosa Parks? Something like that. I can't really remember, but sweet little tee nonetheless. Got a couple little people working out or something like that. I'm not really sure what they're doing. I'm not too fond of working out. That exercise just frightens me. Nothing on the back of this one. Yeah, a little scoop, a little vintage scoop, a little foot action. I was a Foot Locker man myself, but somebody somewhere I think will want that one. All right, let's get into the next package here. What do we got for you guys? Another little white poly. And what's inside? Another little white tee. Who could have guessed it? God damn. Now, this tee I actually purchased from one of my online acquaintances, buddies. Now, he makes it really easy to support him because he makes dope shit. He hand screen prints all of these t-shirts. He makes the designs, does it all in his garage. It's something special. Now, check this one out. That no doubt all over print Tragic Kingdom. Oh my gosh. Flip and dip. Like I said, this is an all over print if I've ever seen one. They look like they got like the highest grade spray tan possible, but my girl Gwen's still looking as fine as ever. She can get it. Call me anytime if you're watching this. I'm sure you are. Birds encrusted all throughout. The whole squad up and down the front. Little checkerboard, chessboard on the bottom. Oh my gosh. All right, on to our last package of the day. And boy, am I excited for this one. Unfortunately for you guys, this tee is personal for me. Fortunately for me, this tee is fire AF. That being said, I hope you enjoyed at least visually because I probably won't be selling this at all in the near future. So let's crack into it. Without further ado, we got that vintage, the Far Side. Now, any real scientist or fossil enthusiast should know the real reasons dinosaurs went extinct: cigarettes. They got lung cancer. Everybody knows dinos love a good drunk ciggy. That's just how it is. 1982 on the copyright date. Super juicy on that one. I just love the watercolor vibe graphic here. Got this little T-Rex hit down here in the corner. I'll zoom in for you guys so you guys can see. That's definitely a juicy little bonus, but the main aspect was the front that we wanted. Got a couple little yellowing bits around the collar I'll have to deal with in the wash, but I'm keeping it so you guys could give a shit, I'm sure. Nothing on the back of this t-shirt. I'm super stoked on this one though. I've been looking for this t-shirt for a while. I just think it's super funny. So boom, follow me if you don't already at Retro Original Co. on Instagram. I'll put the link for that in the description, making your lives a whole lot easier. I got giveaways coming up at 9K and 10K. Might do a little surprise giveaway in the midst of that. Who knows? Gotta follow to find out. Now, if you liked anything you saw in this video, or you just like cool clothes in general, be sure to check out my website, retrooriginal.com. I'll put the link for that in the description as well, so you and your entire family can get fresh for less. That's the way I do it. That's everything I got in the mail today. For Retro Original, I'm Lucas Hill, and you're not.